Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to be just throwing together a quick little salad that you may have seen. Honey, it's going around all viral on the TikTok and Facebook. But in all honesty, this is really an old recipe that they've been making for years and years. People have just discovered it. So I'm going to show you the good old corn salad. Good old cold corn salad. We had this, not last weekend?
2 weeks.
2 weekends ago. You may have seen it on the Smoke Butts video at my son's baby's birthday party. And he made this and everybody just loved it. Now, he put a little different spin on it, so I'm going to do it like he has done it, and I'm telling you, it was delicious. Russ is not a real big fan of like cream cheese and sour cream and stuff, but you liked it, didn't you?
I did.
He enjoyed it. So, the original recipe just called for some mayonnaise, but we're gonna do that up just a little more. We're going to put a block of cream cheese in it. A little cream cheese, and we've got some sour cream. Now the recipe calls for a cup of mayonnaise, so I'm gonna do a cup of sour cream. And my son said if it's real stiff at the end, just add just a little dollop of mayo in it. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start off with the cream cheese and about a cup of sour cream. And you know what, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my cheese in it too. Now you can do cheddar cheese. I got Colby Jack. The Mexican cheese would be really good in here, but I didn't see the blocks, and I always like to shred my own. So we're gonna just eyeball this maybe. Well, I got my little measuring cup here. We'll do a cup and a half of cheese. Good old shredded cheese, and about a half. Just measure with your heart. It's it ain't got to be perfect. All right, little I did my cheese first so that I could measure it and not mess this up when I put the sour cream in it. So we're gonna do a cup of sour cream. If I wasn't doing this for y'all, I'd just be eyeballing it. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it right.
Tries to behave on camera.
I'm trying to be good, y'all. I'm trying to be good. Because I hate when somebody just tells me a little this and a little that, and when you take something that's really good, it's like, oh, I wish I had that recipe. So I'm just gonna mix all this up together and get it blended well. And to be honest, I may just put a little more cheese in there. Who knows? It's according to what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and I've got this ranch seasoning dressing mix. This is a seasoned dressing and recipe mix. So actually I got the wrong thing. I got creamy jalapeno ranch. It's going in. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. I'm gonna give it a little sniff. It don't smell too hot. I bet that's going to give it a good little kick. You know, I have me some jalapenos here. Maybe I just want to...
You might want to hold off on them jalapenos.
Yeah. I'm going to taste this and see where we're at. Lord, I done got the wrong thing. But you want to get the ranch. Just the ranch. And this has got salt in it. I'm not going to be adding salt to it. I just want to get this cream cheese kind of creamy in here before I start adding stuff. Now we're going to do a can of Southwest corn. That's going to also have some good flavor in it. Some Southwest. And then I'm going to just do a regular can of corn. And I have drained these because we don't want no big old sloppy mess. So got that drained. You know what? I'm going to taste this. I really like it. It does have a little kick on the end, but it's good. That's gonna be good. I might need some water. Alright, this is what it's looking like so far. Just the cream cheese, that ranch, and this. Now, I've got I've got old Harley over here, y'all. I'm so excited. Let's see. Let me get me a little knife. Just give this a little cut. Like so. Just give a little tap there.
She said little, y'all.
A little, Russell. The thing with the last ones, the little plastic piece was connected to it. So every time you did that, it felt it. This comes right out. It's not even...
I couldn't break it.
No, it's not even on top. So I really like that about it.
It wasn't connected.
Yes.
That's what I kept doing, was breaking the plastic on the bottom.
It just be like, wham! So, you can actually...
To me, that's what she was doing too,
This is, yeah, I guess. All right, look at that. Now I've been still just chopping away, honey. So 1 red bell pepper. In there, this will be some pretty colors too. Now I'm wondering if I should put that jalapeno. I think I ought to just do 1 maybe.
Yeah, maybe 1.
Just a little. Instead of 2. And it'll be a little, it'll be green, some pretty green in there. Now Daniel did not put jalapeno in his because it was a kid's birthday party. He didn't want no kids crying, and his wife does not like hot stuff either, my sweet little daughter-in-law. So that's what he did. So we're just gonna put 1 jalapeno in here and hope for the best.
Oh, I love it, y'all.
Yes, he loves the heat, so he won't have no problem. So Harley, y'all, doing its thing, all rough and tough. Look, it's already looking pretty. It is so colorful. Now I am going to go ahead and dump my little corn in there. And y'all, this is so simple to put together. So easy. Get my little corn in here. Get it stirred up. Oh, nice. We also got some more green to go in here with these green onions. Yummy, yummy.
I am not normally a fan of any kind of cold salad.
No.
At all. I just don't, I don't know this. I don't know if it's the texture or it being cold.
He thinks it's wrong. Green onions.
I'm not a fan.
Might as well dump them in.
This stuff was delicious, y'all. I'm telling you.
It really
was really good. It was really good.
And everybody that was at the party was like, oh, what is that? What is it? So I'm going to show you.
Yeah.
You're gonna learn today.
It's definitely a summertime type deal. It goes really, really good with barbecue. Now,
this is normally not a, it doesn't appear in these either, but I've just got some crumbled bacon. And honestly, this is the hardest part of this recipe, some crumbled bacon. And I guess you could use some store-bought bacon bits or whatever. I just prefer to cook mine. I really do. I think it hits just a little different when you got that crumbled bacon in there, which didn't take long, and I did 6 slices. I'm trying to remember everything I did for y'all, so I have to write down these recipes because y'all know I told you my recipes are always in the description, always. So I make sure that I get that in there. Now, one thing he said he did was he put some honey barbecue seasoning in his. And this is what Russ has, y'all know, Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue. But you don't have to use this. This is completely optional. This is going to have some good flavor anyway. But because he did it, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to put just a little bit. And you can even use like some smoked paprika in here. Give it some little sass. I think that jalapeno ranch is really gonna be good in it. I really do. Now, this is what it's supposed to look like, and that's all there is to it. I think it's fine. Didn't have to add no mayonnaise at all.
It looks creamy to me.
That sour cream and that block of cream cheese honey did it. It did it. It did its thing. You hear me?
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to put this in a little casserole dish. And the next thing, you want to top it. I'm not going to top it in here because I'm putting a pretty dish. But most people do the chili Fritos, the just regular chips. But my son used these, the honey barbecue twist. And it was really good on it. It was really good. It gave it just another little different twist.
A little sweetness.
It did. So that's what we're going to put on it. Now, if you're going to take this somewhere, don't put the chips on it until you're ready to eat it. You can just put it on top. You can mix it in. You can do whatever. But don't do it until you're ready to eat it, because these, even though they're still a little crunchy or whatever, they do get soggy. Just being honest. So, don't add them to the last minute right before you put your dish out. But anyway, Russ, you ready to give it a little taste? Let them know what it tastes like with this little jalapeno.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to do it. All right, y'all, just like that. Corn salad.
Just like that.
Ta-da! Corn salad. Just a few minutes, and it's going to taste like you took a whole lot more time.
Yeah.
You ready to give it a try with the little jalapenos?
I'm ready. Let me get that.
He's not tasted with the jalapenos
I
in
haven't.
it and the jalapeno ranch. That was a whoopsie. But
I'm sure it's gonna be good. I like jalapeno. Crunchy.
Creamy, crunchy. It's got all the elements.
Oh my goodness. That thing has got all kind of flavor in it.
It does. It's like it's layered with all kind of stuff.
It's just popping.
I really think I like the ranch with the jalapeno. I really do.
I'm gonna tell you what.
It's had a lot of flavor.
That is good. It is really good, y'all. It's got sweetness. It's got a barbecue kind of flavor.
Yeah.
With the rub in it and the barbecue chips. It's got it's got the sweet from the chips, crunch from the chips. It's good. It's really good, y'all.
It is.
And it's easy too. I'm surprised.
It was so quick. If
and
I hadn't been talking, 5 minutes tops.
5 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, besides the bacon frying, and that didn't take long, y'all. Don't stress over frying a little piece of bacon. But I mean, it's good. It's good. I'm telling you, I kind of like that jalapeno ranch dip. It's really good. And we didn't have jalapenos in it at Daniel's, like I said, so that gave it just another layer of flavor, I think.
It's good.
So,
really
this
really
is not the same corn salad that you're seeing up all over the TikTok. So the
little different spin. It's got a little different spin.
Just a little different spin. But honey, you do your spin on whatever your little recipes is. It's your kitchen. You do it your way, honey. And you can even mix these up too right before. Put like half a bag you can mix in it, and then sprinkle a little on top. And it's good.
I really like that kind of chips with it. It's got a little sweetness. That honey. That honey has got very good.
Yeah, I've seen, like I said, everybody using the chili.
The corn chips.
The corn chips. Yeah. That's what.
That would probably be good too, though.
I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. But I do like you said, just a little bit of sweetness to it with the honey on this. But the crunch and I mean everything comes through.
It's
like
got all kind of different textures and flavor.
Your mouth is just bursting with flavor. Saying thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I'll tell you what, it'll be good for like a side for even like hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff like that, y'all. You having a barbecue of any kind, this stuff right here would be perfect.
It was perfect at the party that we had his smoked butts at, and I was like, oh, and like I said, everybody was like, oh, what is that? That is so good. So I'm like, we're doing that. So
it was good then. And Dan's little spin with the sour cream and cream cheese. That's definitely
it's a hit.
I would definitely prefer it to the mayonnaise. I can tell y'all that.
He's not a mayo fan. He's not a mayo lover like I am. But I love cream cheese too and sour cream. Oh yeah, it works. It really does. That creaminess in it. Probably I would think the mayonnaise would be a little looser.
Yeah.
But I like that creamy texture. So this is a good one, y'all.
Yeah, give this one a try and let us know if you do in them comments. Y'all get them comments and let us know if you try it.
Yes.
We love that.
We do. I love hearing from all y'all little lovies.
Yeah.
That you tried it, and my family loved it. It just tickles me pink.
Yes.
Thrills my soul.
Yes, that's why we do it.
We do. Yep. That's right. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for hanging out with us.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
And loving on us.
Yep.
And until next time.